Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see 3 ways to make groundnuts in our air fryer. A simple fried groundnuts, then the salted groundnut and masala groundnuts. First I'll preheat my air fryer for 3 minutes. It is preheated now. I am just adding half a cup of peanuts to this. See, I have air fried it at 180 degrees for 5 minutes and it is done very well. You can see this. Next we will see how to make the salted peanuts, which has a nice white salty coating on top, also known as kari sing. For that, bring a cup of water to boil. I am adding half a cup of these raw peanuts. Along with it, add 2 teaspoons of salt. Boil it till it is well cooked. See, this is well cooked now. Now I will switch it off and drain out these boiled peanuts onto a sieve. Drain out all the water completely. Otherwise you can even spread it on a clean cloth till the water is drained out. Now add this cooked peanuts. We have cooked it with salt into your air fryer. This time already my air fryer is hot, so at 180 degrees I am going to air fry it for 3 minutes. If required, we can add a minute more later on. It is 3 minutes now. Let's have a look. Can you see that? We got lovely salted peanuts, also known as kari sing, with that whitish salty coating on top. Next we will make our masala groundnuts. Here again I have taken half cup peanut. Now I am adding water to it so that the peanuts get wet thoroughly. Drain out the water and add the wet peanuts to the bowl. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, chili powder, turmeric powder, some hing, and salt to taste. Now mix everything very well together. Just sprinkle a little water, just enough to coat the peanuts. Don't add too much water. Just add half a teaspoon of oil and mix again everything together like this. Just sprinkle this like this so that they are nearly separate. 1 or 2 might stick to each other. Air fry it at 180 degrees. This time I am going to keep it for 10 minutes. Let us check this now. Wow, see, it's so perfectly done. It's very hot. See our lovely crispy masala groundnuts coated from all sides. Well done and really crispy. Now wasn't that easy? Take your pick for whichever one you like. As far as I am concerned, I just love peanuts in any form, whether it is fried, boiled, salted, masala, anything, and I love it in pongal, I love it in all kinds of porcha korambu, vatha korambu, anywhere. 2 points I want you to note. One is the temperature and timing might vary slightly with your brand of air fryer. Secondly, whenever we preheat, then the time required becomes less while doing the actual air frying. So it's a good idea to preheat your air fryer. Now another question I expect, madam, I don't have an air fryer, what do I do? Well, if you don't have an air fryer, for the first variety, that is the roasted groundnuts, you just roast them in a heavy kadai till you find the peel coming out easily and it is well roasted, ready. For the second one, that is the khari sing or the salted peanut, same process, you boil it with salt, spread it on a cloth to dry, then take some salt, regular cooking salt, in a heavy kadai and put these peanuts in that, the boiled salted peanuts, and continue roasting for a while. When it is done, just filter out all the additional salt and take out your peanuts. And the masala free peanuts also, same process except that we are keeping in air fryer, you just sprinkle it out in hot oil and deep fry. Here I just wanted to use this method. One, we are not deep frying, so reducing our oil consumption too. And secondly, it is more convenient, no need of long hours of standing and roasting. You can just put it in the air fryer and go and do some other job and come back. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.